Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into Instagram with two-factor authentication available. This keeps the account secure while you edit sensitive fields. Once logged in, open settings and download your data if you want a copy of posts or messages. Make sure you know which items you'll remove: display name, bio text, email, phone, and any linked accounts. Now navigate directly to Profile and tap Edit Profile to start removing or replacing personal details. This prevents accidental loss and lets you control what stays visible. Once in Edit Profile, remove personal identifiers. Replace your full name with initials or leave blank. Shorten or delete bio and website links. Next, change your email and phone under Account Settings, enter new values and confirm with verification codes Instagram sends. This severs direct contact. Make sure your account privacy is set to private to limit future exposure, and review blocked or restricted lists to control who can see past content. These steps reduce discoverability while preserving account continuity. Now focus on content. Delete or archive posts, clear story highlights, and remove yourself from tagged photos by untagging or reporting inappropriate tags. Go to Security, then Apps and Websites to revoke permissions for any third-party apps that hold your data. Finally, double-check saved items and connected accounts to disconnect Facebook or Twitter if needed. If something goes wrong, like verification fails or deletion lags, use Support Report a Problem or the Help Center to escalate and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.